Last night, in federal court, the Justice Department of the Trump administration, you think they'd have more to do, decided not only to try to destroy protections for pre-existing conditions, but to tear down every last benefit and protection the ACA affords. The GOP will never stop trying to destroy the affordable health care of America's families. I always say our inside maneuvering. It was the outside mobilization that made we're going forward with the Protecting the Pre-Existing Condition and Making Health Care More Affordable Act. That's a line for applause. On the phone, didn't know what, we have a regular call, didn't know what subject might, but suffice to say it lowers health care insurance premiums, stops junk plans, strengthens protections for pre-existing conditions, and reverses the GOP health care sabotage. Protecting and strengthening health care is why Democrats are here on day one. The first day, as we were sworn in the 116th Congress, the House voted to intervene against Republicans' monstrous health care lawsuit.
Role in ensuring that we extended the affordable. Ladies and gentlemen, let me remind all of you about the Trump campaign for president, in which he said he wanted to repeal the Affordable Care Act and offer a bill which would provide for health care coverage for everybody at lower cost and better quality. As soon as he sends that bill down to the Congress, I'm voting for it.
Lincoln said, public sentiment is everything. They went out there. They saved the...
But there has been no such bill coming either from the administration or from the Republicans in Congress. I am therefore proud to join my colleagues in introducing this bill. The Affordable Care Act wasn't perfect, but it brought real reforms to our health care system that Americans do not want to see undone.
Fresh from the trenches. Thank you, Angie Craig. Thank you, Lauren Underwood.
Republicans, listen. Americans do not want to see the protections undone. With this bill we are introducing today, House Democrats are building on those reforms to make sure that every American has access to quality, affordable health care.
Thank them as well. And I want to make a special note for the outside groups. We would never have been able to pass
that quality, affordable health care is the right of every child, woman, and man in our country, not a privilege just for those fortunate enough to have it. As part of our efforts to make this principle a reality, we need to build on the successes of the ACA and ensure that every American can get health coverage, protect people with pre-existing conditions, and lower the rising cost of health care.